My name is Evan Haug, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of LEAF, an acronym for Logically Engineered Automation Features. Over the last several decades, engineering has shifted away from pencil and paper drafting, replacing it with computer-aided drafting softwares like AutoCAD. But digitizing the drafting process didn't eliminate all the work being done by hand. It just modernized it. The next revolution to the engineering industry is automating the tedious mouse and keyboard clicks still required to engineer with CAD. Branch, our AutoCAD plugin for automated stringing design, is our vision to bring solar engineering into alignment with this automation movement. Branch was inspired by my own troubles drawing stringing designs in AutoCAD as a young intern at a solar engineering firm. Like the engineer on screen and thousands of other solar engineers across the country, I spent hours every day manually counting the solar panels in my drawing and linking them together with lines to create stringing designs. We believe our nearly instantaneous automation of stringing design will revolutionize solar engineering, cutting costs for designers and installers and passing those savings down to array owners, making solar a cheaper, renewable energy source for consumers. Once the engineer has either received or built a CAD layout of solar panels, the user calls the branch command within AutoCAD and selects the layer and subarray of panels intended to be strung and the desired string length. This brings up an interface where Branch suggests adding or subtracting a number of panels to create uniform string lengths, and the user can either change their decision accordingly or continue on to the next step. Here, the solver is run, the visual characteristics of the solution are chosen, and the string design is written back into the drawing, complete with identification tags, strategic color coding, and a design optimized for maximal installation efficiency. Even on old or slow devices, it takes just seconds for a user to input the branch parameters and be returned back a solution, bringing the design time for an entire array down to just a few minutes, compared to hours or even days spent designing manually. As you can see in the side-by-side comparison of Branch versus an engineer stringing by hand, LEAF was able to perform the entire design, including tags, labeling, and coloring, in just 2 minutes, 15 times faster than it took the engineer to just draw out the stringing lines. It will take even more time than this for the engineer to customize the formatting and finish the design completely. Although the automation we offer is already very powerful, we understand there's always room for improvement. So we've partnered with 7 companies from across the US and 1 from Australia who collectively employ over 100 solar engineers. They'll receive 3 months of free access to Branch to test our beta in exchange for valuable insight into features and improvements we can add to our plugin. Currently, our plan is to offer LEAF as a monthly subscription service in 2 forms: standard and custom. Our standard offering will be available at all times from our website to interested customers, but our custom application will have additional tools or features built to serve a customer's specific needs at a higher subscription cost. If we advance to the go-round, we've spoken with NREL about determining an appropriate price for our software and have learned that they can help us perform a techno-economic analysis that will not only shed light on how much time engineers save by using Branch, but also how much time electricians in the field save implementing our efficient stringing designs. Over the next few months, our next steps are to release Branch to our beta partners, work with NREL on pricing, and file our non-provisional patent. Looking at some of our longer-term goals, we hope to begin generating revenue after launching Branch for full release, expand our potential customer segment by offering custom plugin development, and finally, begin bringing on members of the LEAF team full-time as revenue continues to grow. Finally, our team is a group of recent college graduates with a fresh take on the solar industry, bringing together a unique mix of CAD, solar, electrical, entrepreneurship and business, artificial intelligence and computer science, marketing, and professional communication expertise that together makes us extremely well-suited to succeed. Thank you for considering LEAF and our artificial intelligence stringing technology.